Yo, what's up, people? What's up, people? Yo, matamin kuma new Tamela trying to find out what I can talk about. Yo, it's drama, guys. It's drama this week. It's drama. I hate drama, but there was drama in Soweto, Palms. There was also drama in Tembisa. Some people that could be viewed as traitors, that team Shiriman, were seen there with Navames the post. Hey, we'll talk about it. And Mapele gay is being addressed. Yo, what's up, people? What's up, people? Yes, afsheni inkwenu mashaka idonto kambana mikona minkumanyo titsamela a couchin. It's cold out here. Inabo randa ngopfu ku tsama hi topless ile khupekeni la Joni. We are struggling, seriously. It's really a bit of a challenge. Katitimela John baka hina mara hita kwini ifane hitama ikhari kufumela kokena un'wana swo tshama ri topless se yo tolovela so ha hlupheka man swa hlupha yana so leswi. But guys, without any waste of time, let's get right straight into it because kube na drama. Mr. Palms arigu trendeni over the weekend magakuwa kuna a birthday celebration later kona ya the twins. I think they were celebrating a 40th birthday, but at the same time akurna Makadzi and some other artists are Palms. So there's been a lot of confusion on social media. Gig le Palms gig yava man. You know, some people were saying that kuri gig ya the twins. Hey, bangon waku hi, I gig ya one about the twins gig ya le Palms kahle boy hijacker, you know, they were just promoting the gig and on all. And then as long as Palms kubena van va invite pida. And then kubana ti kotlo la ka social media bana kwa debate ya sona. Say kwa ina I think in whether event ya le Palms kumbishani ya the twins I think in as long as kubena kuyeba na Palms, and as you can see akutele na mgenwa mali, you know. Mina ngayanga Palms leswi endla ku nga Palms ku aningarambwangi. You know, this is the thing, and maybe I'll explain to you loko ni vulavula drama leyi nga humelela Palms ku why ni nga yanga aningarambwangi mina. So usually loko ni nga rambwangi unrand ku ya tindhawu to ni nga rambwangi. I'll explain that later. And as you can see, the stage was set. Yes, the stage was set, and people came in numbers. And Makadzi performed. Whoa, she performed. And then there was this moment. I can't. You know, like I was saying earlier, I'm not really invited. You know, I have a bit of a question about my involvement or me attending this kind of event. Usually I don't go to that place. So I didn't go to Palms because of that. I mean, I'm important, guys. I'm important, you know. You have to invite me to be there. If I'm not invited, I'm not going. That's it. And then nitukume invite when you are at Tembisa, a simple kitchen. Mar, let me talk about this moment layer drama ya Chavi because it's a bit dramatic. It was a bit dramatic to see Chavi being forced off stage, even though it ari nanishtukuelele a chicken stage kumbeshani bagini bamtsikini kwalani kumbe njhani a ni swi tivi mara swi tikombi nga ri va gine va n'wi tshikini by the look of things ene leswi a swi ni tiselaka ku loko ni nga invite-wanga nini because ni xava timhaka to fana letiya ni tikuma se ni kha ni push-a-push-iwa it's either ni push-a-push-iwa le ka ti-entrance, you know, va ku hi we man you know my security can be dramatic at times va ku wena man I kuma ka va ni tivi and again usually loko invite-wini ka swa Vatsonga you don't even get a tag to show you are an invitee or something wo fika humelela nje and then lava va ku tiva ku va ta ku byela oh yeah angeni lo a nga ngheni lo a ngheni hi tshame hi vona vanhu va tlherisiwa aka birthday ya Ben Mahengani a Palms as well yo na tlanga mina ku ze ke ni nga yangi leyi mhaka ku ri a ni ri hava xibuntswana xo chela kona byala loko a ni ri hava butsu ro chela byala ku ni kota ku nwa hi rona mina ni nwa byala hi tikhapa a ni swi koti ku nwa byala hi mabutsu a ni nga ri na butsu yona that's the reason so loko swi humela Chavi a stagini Chavi was an MC of that event as far as I know so ku va a xi xitejini a ni swi twisisanga maybe because a ku la ku fanele ku nghena artist i va ku hayi lava va ka va nga ri ti-artist chikani xitejini xikala xa ha ri le henhla Chavi na mug and ni twa ku xi lahle mug liya ni ku mara Chavi va xi xanisela yini ni ku vanhu lava va xanisa Chavi all the time Chavi ku zuma ku ri na drama guys na Chavi this guy vele ku xaniseni man why mi xanisa Chavi guys kahle kahle I mani a nga yiva mug ya Chavi guys come on mi nga hluphahluphi mfanelo loyiwani man hey xin'wana xi ku hey no va rhandza ngopfu ku dyela xi ku i fela ku dyelo mi ri va fela ku dyela va Chavi ku ze ke va hlongora stagini ai mara honestly speaking yeah that's why I don't like going to this kind of events if I'm not invited because a ni chava timhaka to fana letiyani even though a ni invite-iwini hala Simple Kitchen munhu a ni invite-ini I munhu loyi a ri na access ka ti-VIP kumbe ka vanhu lava va ri ti-artist le ndzeni so mina ni vone ku hala handle ku tele it was packed a Simple Kitchen a ku na va Nomonde Roger na va the Mr Post va Psychology and guess what there was Dlaya Nyoka I'll talk about Dlaya Nyoka and then loko mina munhu a ni byela leswaku he tana nghena cause u tina ta ni byela ku ya nghena le ndzeni ku na va Mr Post na yini ni swi hleketa a ni swi rhandzi ku hlangana na vanhu ka ndhawu ya so I kuma ku we haven't really met even though I've met Mr Post before I've met Psychology before I've been in with Psychology in a same environment you know but then ni rhandza ku va na build up ya kahle na vanhu lava ni nga ta va na vona ka ti-VIP and laha ka VIP leyi ku va na vanhu a va ri vanhu vatsongo ku those artists ntsena and ni kuma ku hayi ni nga vulavula hina va Mr Post na va Dlaya Nyoka mina kwalaha na va Psychology no hayi swa tshama handle na vanhu even ti tshamela handle na vanhu hi dyela mabulu laha Simple Kitchen ku tele guys we had fun a lot of fun ni hlangana na vanhu lava rhandza Nkanelo Gingirikani van'wana va ku hey hina hi swi vona ku wa endla show ya wena kumbe njhani ku no show ya endliwa and again this is what I want to say kuri swi tikomba nga ri nkarhi wun'wana YouTube I notify about what I'm doing here I don't know why YouTube does that sometimes kuri kuma ku a mi kumi notification I don't know why it's like that ku why people don't get notifications you know that's one to swi ni hlamarisa ku kumela yini YouTube so guys I don't know maybe it explains why we don't have a lot of views on our videos I don't know but mo tala va ni byele ku a va kumi ti-notifications ta mina ni khani ku yo no we are back na ni va tiva ku hi tshikini so ni ku no we are back guys I'm posting video na hi tshama na nchumu ni ku ni va komba how come ni mise njhani video lowa se swi tikuma YouTube a yi mi notify some people maybe va notifyiwa but leswi ni swi tivaka ku if you want to get notified by YouTube you need to click on the notification bell ne there's an option there to say all you must always select all ku ri loko ni posta video yin'wana na yin'wana yi kota ku i kuma notification that's how I know it mara ni swi tivi kumbexani ku ve ku na ku cinca na a hi fambini hi nga ri kona a hi fambini hi nga ri kona so maybe ku ve na ku cinca I don't know but that's the issue people do not get notifications some get notifications I don't know how it works so but just make sure that you click all on the notifications ku i kota ku kuma minkayito ku kume swikoweto ku so hi uploadini yeah mara Simple Kitchen ku na va Dlaya Nyoka as I explained na Mr Post va ka perform yo guys Nomonde Roger oh sorry mic leyi wa hi nga wile hala hansi Mike Leganpoina Sunarim guys Nomonde Roger whoa you know what Nomonde Roger was wearing Nomonde Roger ashimbale a swim costume na delela n'wana mhani a xi tiva ndlini ni kha ni byela a ni yime na Bobo ne you know Bobo DJ Bobo ni kha ni ku he Bobo wa swi tiva loko xiyimo xi ri so hina van'wana hi nga ze hi tlhantlheka tingati ni ku ya ku va ku se vanhu va cincile kwalawani va byela switori swi va ku I have a confession no bote a xi tidini kwala vanhu swi twa ku loko xi kha xi perform la vanhu vo tala va langutela ka xona loko ta ya a xi rivile swilo ni kha ni ku mane n'wana ne I should be no about the Roger, guys. As you can see in that video. Now I missed the post, you know, it was such a vibe, man. It was full, and because our parents could and now that the twins thing celebration, people are gonna only go to, I know. Guess what? I could tell a simple kitchen as much as I could tell the pounds. So as much as I'm concerned, it was fair for both. And I won't give you my simple kitchen. And then people were enjoying music. I think about launch an album, yeah, psychology. Yeah, people were enjoying his music. Even though some simple kitchen, as I said before, you know, those guys are actually people that I know who are running that place. But I've said it here, Kore. Soundele Simple Kitchen is little compromise, you know. It's not like banging Kurlok Manaka performance. You pay full attention, and it's like una artist maybe people are not really following. Kumjana vele kasona, kukim vele kasona go kumagu. Look Munaka ibela I ngutu. No go kabula I ngutu. Sound is really hands. I think maybe kuna milaulenga kona because but operator kushonela chicken licken kumbe because it's like it's called mega mart what that area maybe kuna the rules let thingi menge behuwa or what mara ile tembisa guys come on look at tembisa what else do you want to great tembisa but yeah people were enjoying we had fun. The only thing I have to say, Kuri, I noticed something else on the Simple Kitchen. Machangan, I'm dying, guys. I'm dying for. I forget lera vakokwana mara for lernene you know I struggled kukuma munhu dza fole kama ka vatsonga lava va ri la actually I can only assume ku ri vatsonga lava ri la vo tala because the artists lava tirha vatsonga ni vanhu vo tala va ya kula hi vatsonga ni vanhu vo tala va nga hlangana ni vatsonga so I'll say ku ri vatsonga why mi nga dza hi fole because ni struggle you know I struggled to find someone who is smoking like I struggled anlave ku lunghisa fole ra vakokwana and the swi ni tikele ngopfu niku ya vatsonga va dzaha fole mara swi kumi byaleni na la ya inge susi byala va na vavasati yo byala vavasati mali swa fambisana fole ri vulavula hi rona so maybe that's why it explains why ni struggling ku kuma munhu wo ni boyela fole ra vakokwana but at the end of the day ni ve ni kuma munhu a nga ni lunghisela swilo. Hi guys, mele ku dira right ni fikela I said kahle ku fani byala mina byala no fika no khomanyana mara kulolo ze kuma fall and right ni right go ni va right ngwana so yo ivi ku na Dlaya Nyoka n'wana mani Dlaya Nyoka I artist le ka team Shirimani and must talk so kuna hoyi leyi nga kona between Step Mr Post Mr Post na psychology you know so kuna munhu n'wabe nge Dlaya Nyoka tala ku yimbelela hi voice yin'wana a yi na mahlehleleti ngopfu yo bongela loko va endla tinghoma ta ka team Shirimani. He brings a lot of flavor ka leswi swi endlaka ka team Shirimani you know and then the album ta kona ta yena I think va swi vitana va Samson loko va vitaniwa la handle hi swona ne yeah va Samson and then are in the midst of Mr Post psychology na Nomonde Roger which vanhu lava swa va fambisiwaka hi NR Music in Galas record ne. So people were asking questions, are you guys traitors? You know, me the traitor wina, njani. Va Dlaya Nyoka iti traitor. So vanhu va ku va Dlaya Nyoka swi loko drosa team Shirimani njani ku no man. Kasi vanhu a va ha pfumeleriwi ku xewetana na vanhu kumbe ku ya vona ti performance ta va Mr Post. Yo kuma ku phela Dlaya Nyoka na Mr Post a va tshama va holova. So just because Mr Post a nga ha ri kona ka team Shirimani, you know, then Dlaya Nyoka na va Samsoni na va Mafamba va pfumeleri ku vulavula na va psycho, because for example va psychology va na connection ka vanhu lava va nga ka team Shirimani, you know, I tichomi ta vanhu valavaya. So just because they're no longer part of team Shirimani doesn't mean ku va vulavurisana va Bujo Shirimani kumbe va Prince Rangani. I don't think that's how it's supposed to be. So given that issue, people questioning presence ya Dlaya Nyoka and other people ka that missed ya ba missed post na ba psychology mo heta hi leswiwani ivi hi vulavula hi leswi mi nga yimela swona ku la ku twa ku ri the Mapele gate yi famba njhani. Mapele gate, guys, I'm even so exhausted to talk about this issue because yeah, you know, Mapele before attacking Nkanelo Gingirikani, Mapele was a nobody. Mapele used my channel, my platform to promote these things, you know, to gain acceptance amongst Vatsonga people. He used my channel to do those things. And then he came here for interviews. I've spoken about him well on the channel. I've never said anything negative about Mapele. Maybe I was a little critical about some of the things he was saying about Ben Maingani and children, Abifavana and all those things. I said something there. Mara, I've never said anything that will say angaze ava the way anga react so like I mean look comment ka so okay, this is what happens. So kula sukule ringa hela vile ringa hela Mapele u posting one min vone post ya yena ne ni vone post ya yena Mapele a posting ka Facebook a tsale ku no misa album va ku auto tune njani. This is what he said, and then what I think you misa album, but you know. And then mina can comment ka status leswi ni ku moske matirhisa auto tune he Botlengani. That's what I said under his status. Ivi vanhu vo tala va reacta hi ku hleka laha ka comment ya mina. They love the comment. People, lots of people. It was gaining a lot of attraction. Ka comment ya mina I re henhla hi tinambara ta vanhu lava va hleka kumbe the reaction. Then Mapele came and comment to say, yeah, I use auto-tune mara ni tirhisi hinkwako ni tirhisa la swi nga fanela. That's what Mapele said. And then mina ni go, oh, okay, I just wanted you to clarify that. That's it. And then mina no magazo 1 2 3 loko I'm going back to the status because I was getting a lot of reaction. You know, Facebook you can notify if people are reacting to things. And I was getting a lot of notifications. Hey, what Mapele post. So when I clicked, comment okay. Then mina I went to say, because people were asking me, did you delete your comment ka Facebook Mapele na? No, I didn't. So need to clarify because lots of people were coming to my inbox. But why delete the comment away? No, I didn't delete. This is what I said. I didn't delete my comment on my Mapele's page. If you delete Winnie, so like mulangana access your editorial, yena nga delete. That's what I said. 1 2 3 check out foot and come. So now I'm blocked. So since like okay, how can Mapele block? Come on, Mapele can never block me, man. And I never said that can happen. And then he blocked me. Look, I don't block her. Then go, okay, fine. So he blocked me. So it means I don't know. So people were asking him. There's a guy who asked him this question, Kuri. I think he posted someone auto tune again, and then someone went to comment, "Miring Mr. Auto tune maraloko mandla avula ku maitiresa auto tune mang block." And then he responded like this, as you can see there. Aku I didn't block him because of that. It's because you know gays sometimes can be dramatic. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. Firstly, despite the fact that Mapele ngashula, it borders on what do you call it? It's called hate speech. So if I'm like now hate speech where you say it's either someone's language, ethnicity, sexuality, race, iswula in a derogatory manner kuba engwe embarasa kumbe kungruketela. So like a hate speech kuya hi milawu, the legislation tele South Africa. And then, so he was trying to make jokes or be funny by saying, you know, gays can be dramatic. This is how I probably think he said it. Yeah, I didn't block him because of that, but gays sometimes can be dramatic. I feel like that's how he said it. And I'm like, no, no, no. Mapele, firstly, he's the last person to block me. Well, being blocked is fine. I don't care about being blocked. And we let go and block him. No one has a right to block people. But to go and say, you know, gays sometimes can be dramatic. For me, that felt like, whoa, so like say okay, I'll take my gloves off. You know. Look, no man, Mapele. Let's be fair, guys. Mapele is the last person to say gays can be dramatic. I can't refer to Mina, you know, because we all know that his sexuality is always in question. You know, whenever people talk amongst Vatsonga or in the Tsonga music fraternity, people say a lot of things. You know, they always question his sexuality, and I don't want to go into that. The fact that Mapele has released a very beautiful album in 2016. It's called Nkosi Changani in 2016. Kuna tinsimu ta kahle ngopfu lani ti tele ngopfu ta kahle tinsimu ta kahle, you know, Vama Take Away, one of the beautiful songs. I love that as well. Beautiful songs ti tele man, va tsivela matsivela, you know, tinsimu to saseka leti nga lahi ti tele tinsimu ta kahle ngopfu because ka production liya kuna Psychology, kuna yena Mapele, Josh Rimani, and Mr. Post, you know, na Kombo Shiriman. It was a strong team leyi nga release album. Se ni hleketa ku no, loko ni languta career since a win Mapele, andayam ku hava lexi a nga xi endla musically lexi ni nga ta ku xi ta wela ka history since he came back. Despite him trying to gain fame hi ku chingela Ben Mahengani, and then despite him trying to gain fame by coming up with a stupid show yaka Facebook, I don't know if it's still there, some show called Zondanan Magaza or something. There's nothing positive. There's nothing I can say Mapele has come and made a mark since he returned. Kasusa music song. There is nothing. Because other than that album I released in 2016, Mapele, there's nothing he's done. We all know that. That album was well produced, songwriting was good, his singing was good. Everything was on point. You know, it was beautiful. That album, deserve you win all-time Shitsonga music album. That album was perfect and it's 100%. Come on, man. If you want to Mapele catch for Mars, palms, man, that album is fire. Hot album with hot songs. Mara since he's returned, since Avuya Mapele angasizanta nchumsho bonakala musically, I don't want to lie to you, he's done nothing bonakala. So for him to come and attack me, attack my sexuality and everything, it's just hate speech. That's it. He's just trying to fuel people kubani zonda based on my sexuality that he believes I am. And then because you know, vote, for example, in politics, they always use gays as scapegoats. Because people know, they know that gays and people, they also hate gay people. So if he's trying to make people hate me because of my sexuality, Mapele, there's nothing else. We all know juicy. Mapele lele juicy, guys. Mapele ka music lele juicy. Izamini swa Facebook show swinga endli, azama ku bifa Ben Mahengani swinga endli, azama ku humesa ti video. So humesa video yin'wana ka album yena ya it's called Nhlengani. I think there's two good things about that album. It's the colors of the copy artwork. The artwork is beautiful ka album liya. And also video labanga enda la kungana madness. The only good thing about that video is madness. Other than that, there's nothing. The video is off sync. There's a lot of bad things about that video. That's why shalolo is no blah blah. And the I'm sure I'm good talawan. Nifka no blah blah. Solution kumaku. Ku abasha positive. I rather leave it. That's why I left it. You know, there's nothing positive there to talk about. Mapele. Mina, I don't see anything that it's making a mark. He's not making a mark. And if he's trying to promote his album, I don't know, maybe it can work for him, but I don't think it's the way to go where you now spew hate speech in a process, because that is wrong. That is just wrong, and it's offline, it's offside. Shat komba kure you are proving kure between me na wena Mapele iman anga dramatic. Between me and you, who's dramatic? You block people. Why is everybody hating you? Why is everybody has issues with you, Mapele? Why don't you ask yourself those kind of questions? Since I came on this platform on Nkanelo Gingirikani, anse tsamani endla ti video ta ku rhuketela vanhu kumbe xani ni sola vanhu unfairly, you know, anse tsamani swi endla sweswo, mara with you, because of what you just said, you know, gays can be dramatic. I feel like that's how you said it. So you ran out of juice, man. So maybe go salas juzani. There's nothing else. Go salas juzani. Yeah, Mapele, we know that. Mapele is finished, you are done. Creativity. There's nothing we can say. It's making a mark since you returned Kakashtonga music. Nothing. So I feel like that issue yeah, that's the drama. And Mina, I feel like this is the last time I'm talking about Mapele and all this drama. It's the last time. Mina, I just want to come here and then talk about art and entertainment. You know, you know, I like that. I like talking so positive, naku highlight so negative. But again, if you wanna come and attack me, Mina, I know I'm not a celebrity, you know. Compare Mina na Botmajuli, you know, everybody knows Botmajuli, but someone may not know me. And then when as someone who is an artist right now, well, I don't think you really take this artistry serious anymore, because I feel like you are taking other things so serious than some music, you know. I think my play Sati to hook or Matanda, he's selling chicken feet or something like that. I feel like you need to focus on those things rather than kutaka social music, because utaimbi lusen kuna rismora prince nga very ball or nothing katara. Go and listen to that song, man. It's a game, this thing. Ashla emotional go look in that's Ashla erna mbilu. And I mean, you know, Anuguzon Mapele. I don't hate Mapele. I mean, come on. Why will I hate Mapele? Mapele is selling chicken feet or something. I like a one. And people are supporting him, you know. But to come here and want to undermine me? Hell no. You can't do that, man. I've still got Jews. Go salash Jews and so let's be honest, guys. Let's be honest. Mina, I don't want to address this thing for long because we have a lot in stock and Nkanelo Gingirikani than to talk about Mapele. It's the last time I addressed this issue, and that's it. If for Afka an attacker, I'll just leave him like that. I'm not gonna come and respond to him. Look, like promote album and Ash promote Mara. He mustn't use me in the process, you know, because before who like arna beef na ngalas, you know, arna ina beef na bin mangan, arna beef na one votalango, you know, he did that show, and every man zondaran magaz or something. We know what he was trying to do. And I can tell you now, analyzing this whole thing happening on Mapele, I can tell you the reason why Mapele blocked me. He's tired. Pila is tired. These gays can be dramatic and something. It's because he tried to lure me to his show. Sort of an entertainment person who comes and talk about the show. And all. I was like, no, but that's Nkanelo Gingirikani. You know, you cannot try to dupe me of my show. And then hell no, you know. So I just didn't do it. So Mapele probably was still bitter on the fact that Mina and Yang never part of his show as he thought I was gonna do, you know. So it's one than my comment, because before Kuwana direction total Mapele responded, and then 1 2 3 look so the responses total of like a comment I mean Mapele lose on blog. So komaguru kuwe not the underlining issues that kona kale ayoni merela. He's tired of what? You can't be tired of someone who doesn't even talk about you, you know, who doesn't. I've never spoken about him in a negative way if I've ever spoken about you. So Mapele has no reason to spew hate speech. So I can blocker is fine, it's okay. And I'm gonna unblock mung jela I'm gonna unblock Mapele. I don't wanna be unblocked by Mapele. Mapele I'm gonna unblock. It's fine like that. I mean I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to gain. Mapele. He must just continue selling his chicken feet and whatever he's doing at home. Yeah, that's all. Look me like gere, they can against doors, ning mangarval ko nungunukulo this wa ka n'wina hi ku sekeriwa hi va R Funerals mi va joina ka tinambara leti nga kona mi tirhisa tinambara letiya. Yes, va endla swa kahle va R Funerals va swi kota ku mi lahlela kahle hi ti-casket to durha va tlhela va mi lahlela kahle hi timovha to durha va endla swa kahle swi helelini va tlhela mi nyika na ti-voucher va tlhela mi nyika na mali cash price yo ringana vo ma 10,000 loko join hi 250 so i mali ya kahle swinene. So join R Funerals namuntlha nkarhi wa ha ri kona. Nkanelo tshwelekile nyora I'm salude, salute, mi nga titimeli.